Hello guys, I am here with the topic of class 7 science acid and bases. Today we will discuss the we can say sugar in our kitchen, turmeric, salt, lemon, tomatoes and tamarind in our kitchen. These all substances have different tastes. Now we have to find out why some substances are sour in taste while some substances are sweet in taste, while few substances are bitter in taste. We have to find out the nature of these substances. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour because they contain acids. The chemical nature of substances is acidic. The word acid comes from the Latin word acere, which means sour. The acids in these substances are natural acids. What about baking soda? Does it also taste sour? If not, what is its taste? Since it does not taste sour in taste, it means it has no acids in it. It is bitter in taste. First of all, we will talk about the natural indicators around us. The first name of natural indicator comes in our mind is the litmus. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has purple color in distilled water. And when this litmus is added to an acidic solution, it turns red. And when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strip paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. As you can see in the picture, this is the red litmus paper and this is the blue litmus paper. It is easily seen in your school science laboratory. Now, we can do one more activity. Now we start the activity. For this we need lemon, glass and red and blue litmus paper. First of all, we have to take out the lemon juice and mix some water in the glass. Now put a drop of the above solution on a strip of the red litmus paper with the help of a dropper. Is there any change in the color of the blue and red litmus paper? Okay, I tell you. When we put the drop of this solution, the blue litmus paper turns to red, but there is no change in the red litmus paper because lemon contains citrus acid, citric acid, and acid doesn't react with the red litmus paper, while acid changes the color of the blue litmus paper to the red. You must have seen tap water, detergent solution, aerated drinks like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Thumbs Up, soap solution, shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, washing soda solution, lime water. These all are the bases. How they will react with the litmus paper, I tell you. For this, you need to take some water with baking soda. We can take experiment one by one with all the available substance and safe substance present in our home like tap water, detergent solution, aerated drink, we can perform this activity. Is another natural indicator. We can easily make indicator from the turmeric. For this we can use cotton cloth and dip it in the turmeric solution and dry it in the sun. Our turmeric indicator is ready. Now we can perform the activity of acid and basic substances with the help of turmeric indicator. In the picture, I hope you must have understood why turmeric stain on your white shirt is turned to red when it is washed with soap. It is because the soap solution is basic in nature. Now, China rose indicator. China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink or magenta and basic solution to green. Do you know why our historical monument Taj Mahal is getting yellow in color? The yellow color of Taj Mahal is due to the acid rain which is deteriorating the upper surface of the Taj Mahal. Now we have to perform the nature of the chemical substances present in laboratory and in our household items like house cleaners, phenyls, etc. But a great care is required while handling of these chemicals because they can react on our skin and can cause severe injury. Sulfuric acid is called the king of the acids. It is found in the batteries of inverters, batteries of cars and trucks. Now we talk about hydrochloric acid. You know, hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach which helps in the digestion of food in our body. But in chemical lab it is found in the form of HCl, means hydrochloric acid, which is also known as muriatic acid, and it is an aqueous solution. It is a colorless solution with a distinctive pungent smell and it is also a strong acid. Now nitric acid. The formula of nitric acid is HNO3, which is a major component of fertilizers which is used in agricultural purposes.